Retail has basically just kept becoming more and more complex. People now have to plan multiple channels, they have to plan multiple brands, they have to plan multiple geographies, and all those dimensions need to be considered as a part of the assortments that you create. They have to decide what they're going to offer. They have to decide how much they're going to buy. They have to decide where they're going to expose the product. They have to decide what is the timing and flows. It's very difficult to bring technology to the assortment planning process.
We're finding today there are two types of planning solutions. The one that is the most commonly used is spreadsheets. And spreadsheets have been a great progress overall for planners, and so they've been able to run all those tabs and do all kinds of calculation in a very, very flexible way. Merchants and planners in the industry are aspiring to a higher degree of precision. So you want to be able to slice, dice, cut the data in a way that will give you the insight so you can make decisions from an assortment standpoint overall.
The industry struggled for so long to have a solution that was flexible enough, was built on a platform that really was this generation's technology, and that could use advanced analytics to really drive better answers. And this solution provides all of that.
What's extremely unique about the solution is that it's based on a fully cloud-based platform using the Anaplan software. What's different about Anaplan versus some of the point solutions that have historically been out there, Anaplan is extremely flexible. It's really shifting the mindset. So the planners go from data gatherers, trying to build information from the bottom up, not having a lot of information from their analytics systems, to having a much more analytical mindset. They're really challenging their assumptions, they're making extremely informed decisions. Instead of the planners spending 80% of their time updating spreadsheets, trying to consolidate things, they're now spending 80% of their time looking at the numbers and making the right decision.
So as we were building the assortment planning solution with one retailer, they initially told us that the other companies they had talked to about their assortment planning solutions, that it would be a 12 to 18 month implementation. With DAS, we got from the start to a first version that people were using in just 6 months. That's the beauty of the platform, is that you can implement and change things just so rapidly. Every time we work with a client implementing the solution, they'll have unique needs and unique ideas, and we constantly are incorporating those into the software. And we've already built interfaces to key systems that we know need to interface with assortment planning. So that includes things like a client's BI solutions, sizing, purchase orders, all those kinds of systems. We have interfaces already built.
The richness of the solution comes from the experience as it relates to planning in retail, as well as the experience in turning planning and business requirements into a solution on an Anaplan.